All right.
I feel like I'm Gucci man in 2006. All these diamonds dancing on my fucking neck, just like a bricks. Ain't no way that I be talking on that strap, don't make no sense. He $1 million nigga, but be posted in the bricks. It make no sense, it make no sense. Trouble like a motherfucker. Hey, you know me, bitch.